This conference will now be recorded.
Hey guys, this is Naveen here. Welcome back to Naveen Automation Labs. Today I have come up with very interesting topic that is with respect to backend APIs. You can see on my screen that is Best Buy API Playground. It means you can play with Best Buy APIs. And what exactly they say that Best API Playground is an API training tools for students, educators, and other learners to explore the possibilities of fully functional RESTful API provided by Best Buy. It's simple, non-production environment. So they have created one lower environment, maybe their some dev or QA environment they have created. You can play with the application, you can play with the APIs, and you can hit n number of APIs. You can, in fact, you can set up the complete environment, okay, in your local machine, in your laptop as well. I'll tell you how to do that. And this is something really cool. I really liked it. And there are around 50,000 products and store related informations are available, which is making it easy for teaching the APIs. So if you guys, why I'm creating this video, if you guys are doing any practice for API, see, this is the biggest problem we face always with the API, that we don't get real-time examples, right? If you have seen that we have request res.in or maybe some other API, dummy APIs are available online. The problem is that those API is not that powerful, or maybe the post APIs are not that good. They will not allow you to do a post call, because in post call we have to create a data, or maybe the data is very simple, or maybe it's a very normal JSON we are getting, or very simple JSON we are passing in that case. But we don't get the feel of the actual real-time applications, right? But Best Buy is an what do you say? It's an e-commerce online, so you will have the complete picture about what are the different products are there, different information about those products, different CRUD operations like create, read, update, and delete, different get call, post call, put and delete call. We can see their online implementation with respect to Swagger. Also, we can see that. So this is something really cool, and then you can hit their APIs in your Postman, and you can hit these APIs in your REST assured or HTTP client, or any kind of backend API automation you guys are doing for your practice point of view or for your interview point of view. You guys easily use these APIs. So this is something very, very, very cool, guys. So how to start that? So this is their GitHub repository location. So you can see that around 3 years back, these guys started and to maintain this particular project. And then the last commit was last year only. You can see that some Docker file these guys have created. Other than that, I found it, this is really a stable version, and they recently updated their README file also. So fix incorrect geo names hyperlinks. So something they have fixed it. So how to start this? So guys, to start with this, what exactly we have to do? We have to clone this particular project. Okay. So make sure that Node.js is available on your system. It's saying make sure you have Node.js installed. We require version 4 or newer. So make sure Node.js is available on your system. So you can download Node.js, okay, from Google if you are using Windows machine or whatever. So you simply write download Node.js, and from their official website you guys can download, either it is for Windows or Mac machine. You can easily download, guys, accordingly. So I'm already having Node available on my system, so I'm not going to download. I'll directly saying that, okay, it's saying git clone this particular project. So what I'll do, I'll create, let's see, I'll go to my documents. On my documents, I'll create one folder over there. Let's see, my folder name is um, Best Buy APIs. Okay, in this particular folder, I'll do one thing. I'll create, okay, I'll take this particular clone from this particular Git repository. So I'll open my terminal. I'll go to this particular location. So let's see, cd dot dot. Okay, so I'll go to my cd documents. One second. So one second. So I'll go to my cd. Okay, I'll do one thing. Let me go directly from here. Let's see, documents. Again, so directly I'll go to this particular directory, right? So now in this particular directory, if you see pwd, this is the current location, and in this ls, nothing is there. And here I'll do the git clone. So this is a git clone command these guys have already given over there on their website. Let me show you. Same git clone. I'll clone the project here in this particular directory. So you can see that cloning into this particular API playground folder they will create, and it's done. You can see that it's done, and we will quickly see that it's done or not. So I go to my documents, best by APIs. You can see API playground is there, and the complete project is available. So this complete project is written on node.js. So we are not bothered about what kind of data and what kind of code they have written. Okay, so there are a lot of JavaScript files and services they have written over here. So let's see, if you want to go to see the product services, you can see all .js files are written over there. So but we are not bothered about all those things. What we are bothered about, that we have to go to this particular directory, and after that we have to go to cd API playground. So whatever, you can put ls, you can see that okay, one folder got created. We have to go inside this particular folder. So cd API playground, and now we are in this particular project. If you see ls, we are in this particular project. Okay, and from this particular project, what we need to do, we need to, if npm is not available on your system, so we have to install npm. So just hit this particular command, npm install, and you run it. So npm is needed, guys. Node package manager. So okay, let it download. Npm install, so it will download the latest npm. You can see it's okay, it's downloading. So you have to follow the exact thing. It's saying okay, yes, npm is done, and yeah, so perfectly fine. So it's saying this npm got upgraded from 6.11.2 to 6.11.3. So something like this, you should get the latest version of npm. After that, we have to start npm. Okay, we have to write npm start. That's it. In the same folder, you just start the server, and within 1 second the server will be started, and the APIs are hosted over here on your local host, and the port number is 3030. So you hit the this particular URL in your browser, any browser. Let's see, I'm going to hit localhost 3030 over here. See the complete documentation. The actual APIs are hosted on my server, on my local server now, right? I'm not using any best by api.com or any other. Okay, so it's available on my server, and without internet also you guys can access now. Okay, because it's available on my localhost. Localhost means my local server. Okay, on 3030, and you can see all these are different endpoints are available for products, categories, stores, services, version, health check. All these things are available. You can see the proper documentation they have written, and they have given all Postman collections also. Okay, so before that, what exactly we see, this is something very important, the Swagger. If you really want to explore the API, you want to practice with their APIs with all get, post, put, and delete, you just click on Swagger UI. So right click on it and open in a new tab. And here the beautiful Swagger is written over there. And see, this is a typical e-commerce company. See, I have worked with Walmart, so I know that, okay, all these are standard APIs are available: products, stores, services, categories, and utilities. So let's see, for the product APIs, it says we have find the API, find the product, create, update, and remove the product. See, get, post, delete, get, patch. What do you think? Right? And if you really want to explore the Swagger, if you know Swagger, so I'll give you some. If you don't know Swagger, I can give you some overview. You click on this particular product, and here Swagger is a proper documentation, right? It's properly written over there. What kind of call it is? It's saying the basic notes, implementation notes. It returns all the products that match the given filter criteria. So here, this is a okay, get call, and in the response, you will get this particular JSON payload. The name of the product, type, price, shipping, UPC, description, manufacturer, model, URL, and image, right? And if you really want to try it out, so let's click on try it out. Let me show you like this, try it out. So the moment try it out, it will give you a curl command also, that okay, hey guys, you can use the curl command And curl also is used to execute your API. You can hit your API through curl command directly from the terminal. So let's say I'll just copy this and I'll go to the terminal and open in a new tab, and you hit this particular curl command. Let's see, hit this curl command and see, you are getting a huge response, right? You can see that I'm getting a huge response over there. So from the curl command also you guys can do it. And if you really want to hit the API, so this is a request URL and this is the response body that we are getting. See guys, we are getting the huge response. So this is a data array we are getting, a JSON array, and the total is 51,957. So this is the ID. The name is Duracell batteries, something like this. Type is this, price is this. Okay, with this particular category. Okay, so for see, in e-commerce company, every product is having multiple categories. So it's written with category like alkaline batteries or housewares or household batteries. So that's why on Amazon.com or on BestBuy.com, under that particular category, that particular product will be displayed. Next ID is like this. So we have so many IDs and so many products got displayed over here like this, right guys? So like this, you can practice with get call. See, this is so beautifully designed, and then you can minimize it later on. So fine. Now you really want to see the post call. You click on post and you see that, okay, here for the post call, it's saying it creates a new product. And here you can see this is the example value that you have to pass as a JSON payload you have to pass. So you click on it and automatically JSON will be written over there. And if you really want to try it out, you have to fill the data like this over here. So let's say I'm filling the data. You want to create a product, right? So let's see the product you want to create. Let's see my product name is something. Give me some product name. Let's see I'm writing Apple MacBook. Okay, what type of it is? So this is a laptop type, whatever. What is the price you want to write? So let's say I want to write 1,000 or 10,000 US dollars or something like this. Shipping, I'm writing 100. What is the UPC value? Let's say I'm writing the UPC value is test. What is the description? I'm writing Apple, okay, 15 inches laptop. What is who is the manufacturer? So let's see, manufacturer is Xeon. Okay, what is the model? The model is, let's see, 2019 model. What is the URL? I'm writing http://www.apple.com. And what is the image? So the image URL path you have to pass. So I'm simple writing http://www.let's see xyz.com, something like this, whatever. And then you hit this particular API. You click on try it out. So the moment you click on try it out, it will generate this particular, first of all, the curl command with all the headers and the JSON payload. And this is the response payload. It means the product got created, guys. Okay, so this product got created with this particular ID, and you can see that this is the Apple MacBook laptop, Apple 15 inches laptop, Xeon 2019, something like this, and updated ad and created ad. It got created at this particular time. And the response code, whenever we have to create the data, always the status code is 201, and these are the response headers we are getting. So this is perfectly working fine. So let's see, whatever the ID that you have created, let's see this product got created and automatically ID will be generated in the system, in the server. So let's see, get product with the ID, it's working or not. Let's see. So let's try it out. So we will do one thing. We have to pass the ID somewhere. So sample value, let's see, yeah, see it's saying give me the ID. So I'll just copy paste the ID and let's see. We can see that, see, the same ID we are getting. So this is absolutely working fine, guys. It's actually creating the data. The Apple MacBook got created in their system, and the same Apple MacBook we are fetching with the help of Get API by passing the ID. So there is another Get API, something like this. Get the product on the basis of ID. Can you see that returns the product based on an ID? You just need to pass the ID. So first we create the product. ID will be created by the server automatically in the system, and then we will pass the same ID over here and we will get the data like this. So like this, you can see for stores also, you can create multiple, you can get the store, post the store, delete the store, get and patch. Services also you can create, categories also you can create, utilities also you can create. So guys, this is amazingly good. I really liked it. So next time onwards, if you guys are doing any practice, so what you learn? You will learn about Swagger. You will learn about their APIs. The free APIs are available. You can automate with the help of rest assured or your test automation. You can do it. And same APIs you can practice in your Postman also. So let's say I want to practice in Postman. I'll just copy this and let's try it out. Or let's say this is a URL these guys have given. So I'll hit the same API in my Postman. So I'll do one thing. I'll go to my Postman. Right. So this is my, let me open the Postman. This launching. And let's say I'll create one API. So I'll create one request over there. You click on plus, and this is the this is a get call, and you hit this particular API, and we will see. Yeah, this is the get call, right? Get and products. So let's see, get the products and hit the API, and you can see the result. Can you see that, guys? Exact APIs we are getting over here, right? Like this. If you really want to create, let's say I want to create some store now. So that will be a post call. So let's see the store I want to create. So for the store, or let's see some small thing, let's say some services I want to create, right? So this is a service and this is the payload we have to pass, and it's a post call with services. So if you really want to try it out, and this is the URL. So I'll do one thing, I'll create another call. This is my post call, and as a body I'll pass raw JSON body I'll be passing. So let's see, I'm passing this. So I want to create a service. Let's see, a product service, right? And what will be the URL? The URL is this, localhost 3030 and the slash services, that is your endpoint URL. So this is my URL, and we will check any header we need to pass. So for header, it's saying content type application JSON we have to pass. Okay. So I think that's already added automatically, content type application JSON, and you just hit the API. The moment you hit the API, you can see that the product got created with ID 23. A product ID got created. The product service name is sorry, service got created 23. Service name is this product service, updated, and created date also got created. And if you try to fetch the same service ID, do we have the service get API on the basis of ID? Yes. Let's try it out. We will see 23 that we created, and let's see. You can see product service, see the same service that we created, right, guys? So this is apps. These are not dummy APIs. These are actual real-time APIs, guys, that you can actually install on your system and you can use it. It's actually creating the data in the database locally in Node with the help of Node servers, and then actually we can use it. So this is beautifully designed. I really like it. You can give in, I mean, you guys can practice, okay, with the Swagger also, with their APIs also, you can check, and this is amazingly good, guys, right? What else? So these are the different service point, I mean endpoints we have already seen. Swagger we have seen. Postman Collection also these guys have given. So let's see, right click on it, and if you open their Postman Collection, see the complete Postman Collection they have. They must have somewhere. I haven't checked there. Let's see. Import the collection from this particular URL. See, yeah, this is a URL. So let's see. So what you do, you copy this entire, okay, URL that is given by these guys, and let's see, I'll try to import the collection in my, okay, in my Postman. So I'll do one thing, that collection, new collection, and you go to somewhere, let's see, collection name we will create, let's see, Best Buy APIs, click on create. So the Best Buy APIs got created, and we will see, we will try to, one second. duplicate, export. One second. Let me check where exactly we can import, or we can directly import there as well. One second. Let me. Where is that option? Add request, duplicate, export, export. No, not here. I'll do one thing. Yeah, import option. I was earlier, because this is recently they have implemented over here. Earlier it was available, that option was available over here. So this is the latest Postman. So yeah, import from a link, and you just paste your link over here, right? And then click on import. So collection API playground got created, and you see that API demo collection. Not here, API playground, around 12 requests are there. You can see all the requests available over here. You can hit your collection APIs from here directly. Let's see, create a product. It's a post call. So see, automatically URL is added. You can see the body also got added with some sample data. You can hit the API and you will get the response from here. Create a store, all the different get APIs also available. So some get and post, these guys have created around 12 requests are there. Later on, you can keep adding other requests also in this particular Postman, in this particular collection, and you can share this collection with anyone. So this is a sample collection also, guys, they have given. You can import this, right? So these are the options are given, and then they have talked about feathers and SQLize. These are the technologies they are using. Querying the API also, you can see that some example querying to get an idea what's possible, what are different options are available. So you can see query like this product, and this is on the basis of ID, right? And get all the products. You can do it like this. You can pass question mark limit is equal to 1. That also, product limit to 1 also, we will get only one product like this. Skip the 25,000 results, so you can directly write skip is equal to 25,000. So it will skip, and then it will show after 25,000. So there are a lot of query you can put in your query, I mean in your URL, and you can get the respective results. You can filter your data also. It's a really good documentation these guys have written over there. So I'm not going deep dive into these things, but this is something really good, guys. You guys can do it. So you just play with this best by API playground, clone their particular project, and then start using it, guys. It will be hosted on your localhost 3030. So you don't need internet also, in fact. And you guys can create the framework with the help of RESTASSURED. You can play with a curl command the way we have done, and then you can use their API in Postman also, and start hitting and practice. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. That's all for this particular video. So let me know if you have any questions with respect to this, and if you something interesting, you find something like this, you guys can share in the comment section so that other people also can get the benefit out of it. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So a lot of new videos are coming with respect to new tools and technologies in future. So, and please press the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will never miss a notification. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.